Alright guys, I got a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. Customer complaint is they are hearing a noise on the driver's side. So we're going to shake the vehicle this side and hear if we can catch that noise. So it's more pronounced when they're passing through bumps. So let's see if we can catch it. So I can hear the noise. Hope the audio will pick that. Let's go to the passenger side. On the passenger side, it's quiet. So I jacked up the vehicle, checked everything checked out okay, but guess what I found? I lifted up this cover right here, took out the boot. You see that on the passenger side, you see the strut nut. Let's go check the other side, you see what I found. We come to the driver's side, we'll do the same thing. We'll take the boot out and look at that. That nut is just pretty loose right there. You can see I'm spinning it. So that's where the noise is coming from. So we'll tighten that for the customer and then that should fix the issue. Now you can see that we got some threads showing right there, unlike before. So that's a fix right there. We'll take the car on a test drive and definitely check it. Now we got no noise. Alright guys, so pretty much that's a fix right there. So before you actually start throwing parts on the vehicle, do a thorough check, and then pretty much that's how you actually fix some issues. Thanks for watching, stay blessed, be good, and we'll see you on the next one, and I hope this helps.